The lights flickered and went out.
"Oh no!"
cried Leo, his eyes wide.
"No power!"
Mia, his little sister, looked up from her toy blocks. Does that mean no cartoons? Leo, a whiz with computers, quickly grabbed his trusty laptop. Don't worry, Mia, we have battery power. He opened his laptop, its screen glowing softly in the dim room. Their playful cat Whiskers peered curiously over his shoulder. What are you doing? Mia asked, peering closer. Whiskers playfully swatted at a loose wire. I'm going to code a super efficient power-saving program, Leo declared, typing furiously. Mia watched, fascinated, as lines of colorful code filled the screen. Whiskers curled up on the keyboard, purring softly. Suddenly, Leo frowned. Oh, the battery is draining fast. Mia gasped. What will we do? I need more power. Saving ideas, Leo exclaimed. Think! 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 Maya's eyes lit up. Maybe we can turn off things we don't need. Like the screen brightness? Leo clapped his hands. Great idea, Mia. And I can optimize the background processes. They worked together, Leo typing and Mia giving suggestions. Whiskers watched from his cozy spot. The battery icon on the screen looked happier now. It was holding steady. We did it! Leo cheered, high-fiving Mia. Whiskers stretched and yawned. Just then, with a soft fay-beep fay, the lights flickered back on. Yay! Mia shouted, jumping up and down. Our code saved the day. Leo grinned, feeling proud. Whiskers rubbed against his leg. From that day on, Leo and Mia knew that even in the dark, they could use their clever minds to light up their world. And Whiskers was always ready to offer moral support, or at least a playful distraction. The end.